Good morning, everybody. It's October 13th of the Duck Morning Rush, and we're going to go to the swamp with the ducks again. And I waited a little longer for the sun to come up, but it was foggy again. This time of year we get a lot of fog, but the ducks right now are, I'm looking out the window here, they're all at the other end of the pen, so who knows? Maybe they'll beat me to the swamp on the duck superhighway. So let's go. And today's another beautiful day. The weatherman is cooperating. Tomorrow, supposedly the bad weather's coming, but they're all at the other end. You don't know I'm out here yet. Look at this. Oh, those crazy ducks. All right, well, let's go. Yeah, there they come, see? As soon as they hear me whistling. Alright, let's go get the ducks to the swamp. Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Flying into the swamp. See that? Holy mackerels! What's happening? The Muscovy's gone. Did you? Oh, I hope that turned out. That was freaking awesome. Didn't make it to the swamp. It landed somewhere, but. Oh, that was, man, my heart's just pounding on that one. And of course, look who's in the pen, the Muscovies. Oh, you silly birds. That was wicked. That duck flew 300 feet, and it was just freaking huge. Are we going? No, wrong direction. All right, let's go. Come on, everybody. I cut the lawn yesterday, so they're eating all the grass cuttings, but we're not staying in the lawn. Come on. Come on. Come on, everybody. Are you gonna pass me? Come on! Whoop! That log, man. Let's see if they go by me here. Come on! Hey! Come on! Come on! Let's go! Oh. Oh, you silly ducks. Man, a little quick duck. Alright, we'll pick up Steve here. And I've got to walk backwards. It actually warmed up really quick this morning. That Muscovy flying now. I wonder where it ended up here, somewhere in the swamp. It's over across the creek. That was just awesome. Definitely going to have to go see my goose hunting neighbors and let them know that there's going to be white, big giant white ducks flying. And please don't shoot my white ducks. They're leaving quick this morning. Man, they're getting faster and faster going to the lake. We're going to head over to the lake right now. Alright guys, I'll meet you out there and we'll take a quick walk by the Muscovies in the pen and see how brain dead stupid they are. And there we have our brain dead Muscovies that sucked in 3 Pekings, but not Mr. Gimp. Mr. Gimp's out of the swamp. You guys are silly ducks. Alright, let's go to the lake. Yeah, and the ducks are coming straight out to the lake. There they are. It's so cool that they, they spend the day down here, and then they come home every single night. And I'm whistling, and I bring them home. Never would have thought that raising ducks was this much fun. That's the morning duck rush, and we'll see if any more fly today. I know yesterday I watched some Muscovies take off the water, and one of them actually got about a foot and a half off the water for about 100 feet. So they're now they're launching themselves right out of the water. So they're getting definitely stronger and more adventurous. And I definitely got to go talk to my neighbor right now. Actually, I'm going to whip down to their house and just let them know that there's giant white ducks flying around the lake. Because the rules on duck hunting are you can't shoot anything in the water. It's against the law completely to shoot domestic animals. But if they're flying, open game. So I just got to make sure they know they're domestic ducks. Because even though if they're flying, the fact that they're domestic, it's a no-no to shoot them. So I gotta go and take care of that right now so they don't accidentally shoot one of my white ducks thinking that it's some white snow goose or something that's accidentally flying through this part of the world that shouldn't be here. Because these guys are so big they look like geese. But the Muscovies, look at them, they're right out here, man. They're we can say what we want about how brain dead these ducks are, but they are the most adventurous of all of them. Look, they're right over here seeing me this morning. But the Pekings and the Roans are over there. Actually, they're coming over here now. They're invading the lake. pretty soon we'll be coming out of here. I'm going to be everywhere but at this end. Those are the Muscovies. Anyways, I gotta go talk to my neighbor and let them know about my ducks flying. So that's the morning rush. What an exciting rush. My heart's still pumping from seeing that duck take. I hope the video turns out. What I saw, I hope I captured it. Alright, I just came back here to the yard and the Muscovies left the poor Pekings in here. I'm gonna go get the Pekings out. They don't deserve to be deceived by the Muscovies. These silly birds. Oh, you guys. I know, the Muscovies sucked you in, didn't they? Let's get out of here. Come on. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Man, I gotta seriously make this pen bigger. Let's get out. No. Come on, let's not play this game. Out you go. Get out. This is ridiculous. Out you go. Come on. No, not that way. There. So let's actually, now that the ducks are out, let's take a look to see if my chickens, since my roosters are gone. No, chickens still aren't using the my little roost in our nest in the boxes I made for them. I actually had 20-liter pails. I made them out of I took a 20-liter pail, cut it. Last year it worked great for the chickens. They really liked it. I put it on an old DVD rack from my old store. So it's off the ground, a little step. They can jump up onto the here to get up, but the hens aren't using it yet. They're I guess they're just a little screwed up. Plus, the that rooster experience was seriously had them screwed up. I got one hen, the fifth hen. She won't even come into the pen. She's somewhere around here. I haven't seen her this morning, but usually I look out in the morning. She's running around the yard. She won't go into the pen at all. Poor birds were just getting like pounded by those roosters. Roosters are gone. I'm a roosterless house now. Anyways, let's go. I'm gonna go talk to my neighbor.